Hello, hi everyone. Please turn on your cameras. Hello, hi everyone. Please cameras everyone. Come on, Sri Sumesh, Shreya, Malhar, Vipul. Please turn on your cameras. Hello, Vedant,
Hello,
Shreya.
sir.
Hello, Arav. How are you all? Good. How is the
Yes,
prep
sir.
going, everyone? Hmm?
Good, sir.
Good. Okay, nice. And please, rest of you, please turn on the cameras, everyone. Hmm. Shreya, how are you, madam? Sri Sumesh, Alina, everyone, please turn on your cameras. Come on, everyone. Nagalakshmi, Dev, Jeffrin. Okay, sir, my camera is not working. Okay, there is always one student whose camera is not working. Can we have one class where all the cameras are working, everyone? Huh? Is it possible? Huh? Come on. Good evening, sir. I will on it in one. I will turn it on in 1 minute, sir. Okay. So let's begin, everyone. Yes, let's start. What say, everyone? Hmm? Okay, then.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me share my screen with you all. Okay, so today, everyone, we are going to discuss 5 markers. Okay, what one shot for all the 5 markers that can come in your board exam. Okay, everyone. So let us begin, right? So the first chapter that has a high probability of having a 5 marker is nothing but a quadratic equations, right? So what do we know about quadratic equations, everyone? What is that important formula that we have to deal with? Yes, can anyone remind me that formula? That is what? The quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? X is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. Just a second. B, 1 second. Why is my pen tab not working? Just a second, everyone. Oops. Just give me a second. I'll have to reload my screen. I think my screen is visible to all of you. Yes, everyone. Yes,
Yes,
come
sir.
on, come. Okay. B square minus 4ac upon twice of a. And what is this thing called, everyone? The thing that is under the root. It is known as discriminant, right?
Discriminant.
Yes, or we call it small d, using capital D, we also denote it. Okay. So now this D can be equal to what, everyone? Hmm? It can be less than 0, right? It can be greater than 0, right? Or it can be equal to 0, right, everyone? Yes, that is what we have learned, right? So let's start with greater than 0. Okay, and the less than 0 we will discuss in the end. Okay, everyone. So what happens when discriminant is greater than 0, everyone? What is going to happen? Can anyone tell me? We will have two real roots. Yes, because there is what? There is plus and minus over here, right? You see plus and minus. So you'll get two different values. But first will be minus b plus root of discriminant, and the other will be minus b minus root of discriminant. So there will be two real values, right? And if discriminant becomes 0, everyone, then what will happen? Then this plus minus sign, does it really matter? We will have only one root, that is minus b by 2a. Are you getting my point, everyone? So you will have only one real root or a unique real root. Is this clear, everyone? Tell me yes or no. Yes.
Yes.
And
Yes,
then
sir.
lastly, now if discriminant is equals to 0, that is, if the value is under the root is negative, what is going to happen? Can we accept, everyone? Can we accept a value under the root that is negative? No, right? We cannot do that. Yes. So less than 0 is going to be no real roots, because that is not a real number, everyone. Right? Root of negative value, let's say root of -1, it is not a real number. We cannot represent it on the real line. Right, everyone? Yes, are you getting my point? Yes, we require another axis altogether to represent this root of -1. That is known as the imaginary axis. We'll learn about in 11th grade. Okay, so we are not going to, you know, divert ourselves. Okay, so it's just that no real root right now you will write. Is this clear, everyone? I hope this makes sense to all of you. So this is all the concept that you need to know for to solve quadratic equations. Now the type of question, the 5 marker that will come from the quadratic equation, either there will be a 1 or 2 marker that will be, dependent upon, they will be asking you discriminant properties or things like that, they will be asking you, right? But the 5 marker that is going to come for this quadratic equation is going to be a little tough. Okay, you can say that it is going to be an application problem. Okay, it is going to be an application problem, everyone. Okay, so this question, let's try this first question out, everyone. Now please observe what are they saying, everyone. They are saying that the sum of the ages of a boy and his sister is 25 and the product of their ages is 150. Find their present ages. That is what you have to find. So you let the what? You let the age of the boy be X and let the age of the sister be Y, right? Now we know that X plus Y is equals to 25, everyone. And the product of their ages, XY, is equals to 150. Now try this question out, everyone. Very simple question it is. Okay. You just need to remember a few identities over here. Okay, just recall the few identities that you know from polynomials and you'll be good to go for this question, everyone. Okay, try it out. Come on, everyone. Let's see who can give me the answer first. Anyone has the answer? Okay, let me check the responses. I think I have a few responses. Very nice. Good job. Most of you have given the correct answer. So let's begin, everyone. Okay. So we have let the boy's age be X, everyone. So in CBSE, you have to, write your assumption. Okay. So let the boy's age be X and his sister's, everyone, please on the screen, please look in the screens, everyone. No, if you have not been able to solve it till now, no worries. Okay, please observe. And his sister be Y. Okay, so X plus Y is equals to 25 and XY is equals to 150, everyone. Okay, so this gives me what, everyone? Y is equals to 150 upon X, right? Yes, that makes sense, right, everyone? I've transposed X to the other side, right? Now I will use this value of Y that is in terms of X in the first equation itself. So I'll get X plus 1 upon X, everyone, is which is equals to 25. I hope this is very, very clear to you all, right? So this gives me what? Now I will take a lowest common denominator. That is going to be what? X, because over here it's 1, over here it's X, right? So I will take the lowest common denominator. That will be X only. So if I take the lowest common denominator, I will have to multiply and divide this particular X with X itself, right? Yes, so I have a denominator X over here, multiplied by X, right? So it is going to be X square by X. plus 1 is equals to 25, everyone. I hope this is understandable to all. Tell me.
Sir, 150.
It was given 150? No, sum is given as 25, no? Acha, it's 150. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much, Shreya. Yes, 150 upon x. Right, that's correct. Okay, so now I'll transpose x to the other side. X square plus 150 is equals to 25x, everyone. Right? I hope this makes sense to everyone. Yes. Now I'll transpose 25 to the other side. Hmm? X square minus 25x plus 150 is equals to 0. We have a quadratic equation in our midst, everyone. Right? Yes. So what are we going to do, everyone? Simple. We are going to use the quadratic formula to solve this particular expression or solve this particular quadratic equation. That is going to be what, everyone? X is equals to, now see, what do we do, everyone? This is 1 times, so ax square plus bx plus c, right? So everyone, my a is what? My a is 1, my b is minus 25, and my c is 150, everyone. I hope this makes sense to everyone. Yes. So what is going to happen over here, everyone? So I will write minus of minus b, that is going to be minus 25. Okay, minus of b. Okay, so minus minus 25 plus minus root of what, everyone? B square, that is now 25 square, that is 125. I'll directly write it, everyone. Okay, minus 4 times AC. 4, A is 1, okay, and C is how much? 154 times 150. Let me know if there is any doubts till this point, everyone. Hmm? Any doubts till this point? Twice of 1, which is just 2 only. Okay, so it is going to be how much, everyone? It is going to be 25 plus minus 125 minus 4 times 150, everyone. That is going to be 6. No, just a second. 1 second. Something is wrong. What is wrong? Minus 25, and it
Sir,
is
it should
going
be
to be,
625.
sorry?
625.
Huh,
In the
6,
root.
sorry. Yeah, 25 ka square. No, I thought 5 ka. God, thank you so much. What am I doing? Yes, I'm so sorry, everyone. 625, right? Okay, and that is going to be how much? 4 times 150, that is 600, right, everyone? So twice, okay, upon 2, right? So that is going to be 25 plus minus root of 625 minus 600, that is root of 25, which is just 5, everyone. Okay, upon May, we will have 2. Is this clear, all of you? Please tell me yes or no. Hmm? So, so this is going to be 25 plus 5 upon 2 or 25 minus 5 upon 2, right? So I'll have two values of x, everyone. What will be the two values? First value will be 30 divided by 2, which is 15, right? Or it is going to be 25 minus, that is 20 divided by 2, that is going to be 10. So I have two possible ages for the boy, right? And what will be the sister's age then? Everyone. So sister's age is y is equals to 150 upon x, everyone. Okay, so I will find out the sister's age. Y is equals to 150 upon x. Okay, right? So y can be equals to, for the first value of x, okay, so I will write 4, x is equals to 15, y is equals to 150 upon 15. That is going to be 10, right? Is this clear, everyone? Yes. And for the second case, for x is equals to 10, it is going to be how much, everyone? It is going to be y is equals to how much? 150 divided by 10, right? For the second value, x is equals to 10. Okay, so that is going to be 15, right? Is this clear, everyone? Tell me yes or no. Any doubts till this point? Clear? Next question, everyone. Now, next question is a very favorite questions of most of the time for the board. Okay, so second question, everyone. A motorboat whose speed is 18 kilometer per hour in still water can take 1 hour more to go 24 kilometer upstream, then to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream, everyone. Okay, so what are you going to do? You are going to let the speed of the stream be x. Okay, and you'll be able to get the answer. Very easy question, everyone. Okay, a question of upstream and downstream is going to come. Either it will come in pair of linear equation in one variable, in two variables, or it is going to come as a quadratic problem, right? So it is going to come one way or the other. They love upstream, downstream. Okay, so I have one response. Very nice. Who is this? This is Tavan. Very nice, Tavan. So shall we do it? Or anyone is very close and wants me to wait? Actually, ideal time should be this only. Whenever one of you is able to do it, that means that's the ideal time. Okay, one more response. Very nice. Who is this? Nisarg. Very nice, Nisarg. Good job. Keep it up. So let's do it, everyone. Chalo, let's do it. Observe, everyone. Let the speed of the stream be x. Okay, everyone. Yes, so that is the thing that we have to do first. Okay, whatever matters. Okay, does not matter. Okay, so stream is what? Speed of the stream is x, everyone. Now, what is given to us? It is given that a motorboat whose speed is 18 kilometer per hour in still water. Okay, so the speed of the motorboat is 18 kilometers per hour, everyone. Okay, right. So speed upstream is going to be how much? Okay, speed of boat upstream. Okay, that is going to be how much? So that is going to be speed of the boat in still water minus the speed of the stream, right? Because the speed of the stream is opposing the speed of the boat, everyone, right? Yes, the boat is moving in the opposite direction of the stream, right? Yes, and if you remember a little bit of physics, what are we going to do? 18 minus x, everyone. I hope this makes sense to everyone. Please tell me yes or no. Hmm? Now, speed of the boat downstream. Okay, speed downstream. That is going to be now the speed of the stream is going to do what now, everyone? It is going to support the boat, right? That is, it is going to add up to the speed of the boat in still water. So 18 plus x, everyone. I hope it is clear to you all. Please tell me yes or no. Hmm? Yes. Now, what are they saying, everyone? It takes 1 hour more. Okay. What are they saying? They're saying that it takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometers upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Now, it's obvious, everyone. When we are traveling upstream, the time is going to be a little more than the time in downstream, right? Yes, everyone. Yes. And also, we know the formula. What is the formula of speed? Speed is equals to distance upon time, right? So d upon t, right? That means what, everyone? T is equals to d upon s. Does this make sense to all of you? Tell me yes or no. Any doubts till this point? Hmm? So now, everyone, time upstream is going to be what, everyone? Time upstream, that is tu, is going to be distance. Now distance is same, everyone. Tell me, everyone, isn't distance same? Distance is same, right? Yes. Okay. So, and speed upstream, right, everyone? That is what is given to us. Okay. Now, the same thing that if I apply over here, okay, to speed upstream and downstream, time downstream, okay, and it is going to be time, what? Time downstream, td, is equals to distance. Distance is same. That's why I'm using the same variable d. Okay. And it is going to be speed downstream. I hope this makes sense to each and every one of you. Yes. Now, what is the relationship between these two, everyone? What is the relationship between TU and TD? Hmm? What is the relationship between TU and TD? Okay. The relationship is that, everyone, if I travel upstream, okay, I take 1 hour more in comparison to if I travel downstream, right? So TD plus 1. Are you getting this, everyone? Tell me yes or no. Is this understandable to each and every one of you? Very nice. So now, everyone, I'm going to write it in a beautiful format, that is D upon SU is equals to D upon SD, because what is my TU and TD? That is D upon SU and D upon SD, everyone. Yes, plus 1. I hope it is very, very clear to you all. Yes, everyone, tell me. Any doubts? Now I'm going to replace my variables. Now I know my distance is how much, everyone? My distance is 24 kilometers, right, everyone? So I will do what, everyone? Simple. I will replace it over here. 24 upon SU is SU is what? SU is also I have. Okay, speed upstream. That is 18 minus x, right? So 18 minus x. right? And what is my distance downstream, everyone? Okay, distance and speed downstream. Speed downstream is 18 plus x plus 1. D is 24, right, everyone? I hope this is very, very clear to you all. Tell me, everyone, any doubts till this point? So now, everyone, what we are going to do is I'm going to transpose this to the other side, okay? So it will give me what? 24 upon 18 minus x minus 24 upon 18 plus x, okay, which is equals to 1, right? Okay. And then what am I going to have, everyone? Simple, very simple. I'm going to take a common denominator, right? In this case, both my denominators are different. So what am I going to do, everyone? I'm going to multiply both my denominators together. Okay, 18 plus x, and this will be my common denominator. So I will multiply this numerator and denominator with 18 plus x both. Okay, so it will be 24, 18 plus x minus 24 times. Now I can take 24 common as well, everyone, so that my calculations are a little bit easier. So I will take 24 common, right, everyone? So it is going to be 18 plus x minus 18 minus x. I hope this is very, very clear to you all. Any doubts till this point? Now 18 plus x minus 18 minus x, that is going to be 18 plus x minus 18 plus x. Okay, times 24, and upon may, this is a plus b into a minus b, everyone. A minus b into a plus b. So that is going to be how much, everyone? 18 square minus x square. Is this clear, all of you? Tell me yes or no. Any doubts till this point? 18, 18 will cancel each other off, everyone. Very simple. X plus x will become twice of x. Okay, and 24 is being multiplied by my twice of x upon 18 square minus x square. 18 square is how much, everyone? That is 324 minus x square is equals to 1. I hope this makes sense to everyone. Yes. And this is going to be 48x upon, now I will send this to the other side, 324x 324 minus x square to the other side, 324 minus x square. I hope it is very, very clear to you all. Please tell me yes or no, everyone. Any doubts till this point? Yes. So now, everyone, what is going to happen? I will transpose these to the other side. I will have x square plus 48x, okay, and minus, it is going to be 324. I hope this is very, very clear to you all. Please tell me yes or no. Is this clear to all of you? Yes. Okay, now I am going to use what, everyone? I am going to use the quadratic formula. Please do not use middle term split, everyone. Please do not use middle term split. I know you all know how to do middle term split, but if you use middle term split, it is not going to be good, everyone, because in 10th standard, this 10th standard chapter is all about using the quadratic formula. So it's better that you use the quadratic formula. And of course, it is going to help you get the answer very easily. Okay, yes. So now, it is going to be what, everyone? It is going to be x is equals to, achha, you all know how to use the quadratic formula, everyone? Yes. Let's do it with the middle term split. Okay, let me do this with the middle term split. Okay, right? Yes. So one question we have done with the quadratic formula, we will do this one with middle term split, everyone. Okay, right? So it is going to be what, everyone? X square. Now see, everyone, what do we do whenever we have to, do this? We take 324 and we take 48. Right? This is minus 324. So we have to keep that in mind. Right? So the product of two numbers should be what? It should be equals to minus 324. Right? And this product of the same two numbers should be equals to what, everyone? It should be equals to 48. Now, how do we find that out? Using prime factorization of 324, everyone. Right? Yes. So 324 ka prime factorization we will do, everyone. That is going to be 1. Okay. And 12, that is going to be 6. And that is going to be 2. 8 and 181. This is going to be 3. Okay. That is going to be 27. This is going to be 9. And this is going to be 3. Again, 1. Right, everyone? I hope this makes sense to everyone. Tell me yes or no. Any doubts till this point? Any doubts, everyone, till this point? Is this clear to all of you? Yes. Now, if you will observe, everyone, you will find something out. 2 into 3, 6. Right, everyone? And you have what, everyone? You have 27 times 2. Right? Yes, which is what? Which is 54. Right? Yes. So 54. Right now, if you will choose these numbers, everyone, you'll have something that is very beautiful. That is 54 multiplied by 6 is indeed now is 324, but I need negative, right? Yes. Okay. So what am I going to do, everyone? I'm going to use -6 because -6. Why? Because 54 plus -6, everyone, gives me what? Gives me 48 as well. Are you getting this, everyone? Tell me yes or no. Any doubts till this point? Now I will do the same thing. That is, I will middle term split this. Okay, I'll split the middle terms into two equal, no, not equal parts, of course, into two parts. So x square plus 54 x, right, everyone, minus 6x minus 324 is equals to 0. Now, since my first of my leading term, the coefficient of the leading term is 1, so I can write 324 as well. 54 into 6 does not matter, right? Okay, but it's better that we continue this way, everyone. Okay, so I will take from the first two terms, I'm going to take what common, everyone? I'm going to take x common, right? So it is going to be x plus 54, right? Yes. And from the next two terms, I'm going to take minus 6 common, right? So it is going to be x plus 54 again is equals to 0. I hope it is very, very clear to you all. Please tell me yes or no, everyone. Okay. Now there are two terms, everyone. Term number 1, term number 2. From both of these terms, I'm going to take what common? Both of these terms have common x plus 54. Right, everyone? So I will be left with, in the other bracket, x is left and -6 is left. Okay. How do we take common, everyone? Very simple, using the distributive law. Distributive law allows us to do that. So either this is 0. Okay. See, either x plus 54 multiplied by 0, I will get 0, right? Or 0 multiplied by x minus 6 will give me 0. So that means either x minus 6 is 0 or x plus 54 is 0. So from this equation, I can imply that my x minus 6 is equals to 0, which gives me what, everyone? Which gives me x is equals to 6. From this, I can imply that my x plus 54 is 0. From this case, okay, x plus 54 is 0. So x plus 54 is equals to 0, everyone, which gives me x is equals to minus 54. Now tell me, everyone, can my speed be negative? Tell me, everyone, can my speed be negative? No, right? My speed is not negative. So this value of x will be rejected, right? And this value of x will be accepted, everyone. This is the accepted value of x. That is, this is the stream. This is the speed of my stream. Okay. So you'll write it beautifully. Okay. Do not just leave it over here. Write it beautifully. That speed of stream, which I let it equals to be x, is nothing but 6 kilometer per hour. I think kilometers per hour was my unit. Tell me, everyone. 6 kilometer per hour was my unit, right? Yes, kilometer per hour. Okay. Yes. So that is the thing, everyone. I hope this makes sense to each and every one of you. Just give me a second. Let me adjust these notes a little, and then we can move ahead. Right. So these type of questions are going to come in the exam, everyone. Please be well prepared. Okay, everyone. Yes. Now, the second question of 5 marker that is going to come for your board exams is going to be most probably from arithmetic progressions. Okay, everyone, arithmetic progressions. Now, what do we know about arithmetic progressions, everyone? There were a few formulas that we have to remind ourselves. I'm not going to prove the formulas because, of course, we are not discussing the whole chapter again. The first very important formula was the nth term of AP, right? What was that formula, everyone? AN is equals to what? AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 times D, right? And the second formula was sum of first n terms. Please keep this in mind, everyone. This is the formula for sum of first n terms. Okay, not any n terms. I've seen most of you using the same formula if they're asking you to find the sum of last 20 terms. Don't do that, please. Okay, everyone. 2a plus n minus 1d. Now, there is another form of this formula, everyone. What was that form? The another form of this formula is n by 2 a plus the last term using L, you can denote it, or the nth term that is also we use to denote the last term, whichever you prefer. It's totally up to you. Okay. That is not all, everyone. Now your teachers in school must have just taught you this formula, right? These two formulas, and they would have, said that you are good to go. But no, you are not good to go, everyone. It's good that you remember some extra formulas, not extra formulas per se, but when you solve questions, it will be like, you have to remember these. Okay. If you remember these, you will be able to solve formulas in an instant. Okay. So let's say there are three terms A, B, C in AP, everyone. Okay. They are in arithmetic progression, right? So what do we know, everyone? We know that the common difference between these two terms and the common difference between these two terms are same, right, everyone? Yes. So what is it going to be, everyone? This is going to be B minus A is equals to C minus B. B transpose to the other side, A transpose to the other side. So it will become what, everyone? B plus B. B will become positive now over there. And A will also become positive on the other side. So A plus C. B plus B will become 2B. So 2B is equals to A plus C. This is also something that will come in handy a lot of times, everyone. A lot of times. Okay. So very important. Right? In 11th grade, you will call it arithmetic mean. Okay. B is equals to, okay, of three terms. So next, everyone. Now, if you have to, okay, if a question comes, listen to me, everyone. If a question comes where they say, ki, imagine or assume that there are three terms in AP, or if you have to assume that there are three terms in an AP, okay, how will you assume that, everyone? Very simple. Please observe. You will take three terms as A minus D, A, and A plus D. Okay, if three terms are in AP, you will assume that these three terms like this. Okay, do not take them. Okay, now you must be thinking, ki, sir, why can't we just take, A plus 2D? Okay, you can do that, everyone. Yes, if you can do, you can take A plus D, and A plus 2D. You can do that. Try solving the question with this. Try solving the question with this. You will get stuck a lot. The calculations are going to be very difficult, everyone. So please, don't try to, become like a hero. Okay, do not do that in exam. Please, exams mein, we cannot be a hero. Right now, there could be a question, everyone, where you have to imagine four terms in AP. Okay, so what are you going to do, everyone? If four terms are in AP, in that particular case, now you will say, sir, how are these three terms in AP? They are in AP, everyone. What is the difference between these two? D. What is the difference between these two? D. Okay. Now, if I have to take four terms in AP, you will say, sir, can we take A minus 2D? A plus D, right? And A plus 2D, right? Yes. And just let's take this to be A minus D instead. Okay. You will say, sir, yes, the difference is D, the difference is D, and the difference is D, right? Will this work for us, sir? Definitely it is going to work, but the calculations again are going to be very tough. So do not do this, please, everyone. Do not try this at home. Okay, warning. So what are going to be the four terms that you take in AP? Okay. So it is going to be A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, and A plus 3D. You will, you will realize the importance of doing so. Okay. Trust me, everyone. I have two questions planned. You will realize the importance why I'm saying we should take four terms in AP like this. You will realize this further on. Okay. Yes. So please, right now, observe. Now, what is the common difference? The common difference is 2D. 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 Are you getting my point, everyone? Is this clear for you all? Please tell me yes or no. Any doubts? So please, everyone, these few things, please keep in mind. Okay. So I have added three extra things to the concept of AP so that, you are able to solve questions easily, everyone. My promise to you, you'll be able to solve every question using these five things. Just these five things, everyone. Just these five things. Yes, Vedant, you want to say something, sir? You unmuted
No,
yourself.
sir.
Okay. So these are questions, everyone, which came in 2023, okay, as options, both the questions, okay. Either you could solve this or you could solve this, okay. So we will try with the first option, okay. And I have one more question, which these two questions we are going to do in today's class, everyone. Okay. And if we have time left, we will do for the next chapter as well. Okay. Right. So Find the sum of the first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are given, everyone. Okay, what is given to you? You have been given that second term, that is A2 is equals to 14, and the third term A3 is given to you as 18, right? You have to find S15. Very easy question, everyone. I hope you all will be able to do this. Okay, I'm getting two different answers. Either is this 5610 or is it 5600? What is it, everyone? Come on, let's do it then. I have got a few responses, so that means most of you are able to do it. Okay, so let's do it. Hmm. Yes, yes, yes. Let's do it, everyone. Okay, so please observe, everyone. Observe. A2 means what, everyone? A plus D, right? A3, everyone, means A plus 2D. Okay, everyone. So I have what, everyone? I have two linear equations in two variable. How do we deal with this, everyone? How do we deal with this? Elimination method would be better, I think, right, everyone? Yes. So using elimination method, I will get the value of sorry, D first. A minus A will 0. 2D minus D will become D, everyone. 18 minus 14 will become 4. So my common difference is what, everyone? My common difference is 4, right? Okay. Now I'll find the value of A from the first equation. First equation is A plus D is equals to 14. Okay. And D I have been given is equals to 4. So A plus 4 is equals to 14. 4 goes to the side. 14 minus 4, that is equals to 10. So my first term is equals to what, everyone? That is equals to 10. Right? Now, everyone, what am I going to do? I'm going to find the sum of first 15 terms. Right? That is what they asked me. Oh, sorry. They have asked me to do the sum of first 51 terms. Right? So let's do this. So 51 divided by 2, twice of a, then again 2 twice of 10, n minus 1, that is 51 minus 1, that is 50, times D. D is how much, everyone? That is 4. Okay, so that is it going to be. Okay, so 51 divided by 2, 20 plus 50 multiplied by 4, that is going to be how much, everyone? That is going to be 200. Right, that is 220 plus 200, that is 220. Right, yes, and cancelled 110. I hope this is pretty much clear to you all. Please tell me yes or no. Hmm? So that is going to be 510 plus 51. So 561 and 0 as it is. So 5610. I hope this makes sense to all of you. Please tell me yes or no. Hmm? Yes, so that is how you solve it. So you will say, sir, this is a 5-marker question. Yes, it is a 5-marker question, everyone. So please choose your questions wisely. Okay, right? So, yes. You should be able to solve at least 30 to 40% of the question in your brain. Not the question as in whole, but you should be able to go through the whole question in your brain. Ki I will do this, then I'll do that, then I'll do that, and I'll be able to get the answer. Right? Yes. So think about a question for a while and then start with your pen. Okay. Yes. Because avoid, crossing out even. Okay. Teachers like a beautiful paper. Okay. In mathematics as well. Mathematics teachers, their handwriting themselves is very bad, but they expect a paper very beautifully written by you all. Okay, so write as much beautifully as you can. Okay, everyone, is this clear? Take cursive classes before if you can. So please observe, the first term of an AP is 5. and the last term is 45. The sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. Come on, very easy. Okay, so I have 4 responses. I think we can move on, everyone. Yes. So let's observe, everyone. So the first term of an AP is 5. That is A is equals to 5. See, whatever is, see, sometimes questions are very difficult for arithmetic progressions. Okay, very tough. Right? But what you have to do is you have to just show some persistence. Whatever is written in English, no, write it in mathematics. First term is 5, I'll write A is equals to 5. The last term is 45, I will write AN is equals to 45, everyone. Yes, the sum is 400, right? I have been given that sum of n terms is 400. Right, everyone? Find the number of terms and the common difference, right? So I've been given the first and the last term. Okay, so I will use this formula, that formula of sum of n terms. What was that formula, everyone? N by 2, A plus AN is equals to 400, right? Yes, N by 2, A is what, everyone? 5. What is the n term, that is 45, is equals to 400. I hope this is very, very clear to you all. Yes. Moving forward, everyone, it is going to be 50 times n upon 2. Okay. 50 and 2 will cancel. 25 is equals to 400. Right, everyone? So 25 is being multiplied with n over there. On the other side, it will get divided with 400. So I will have n is equals to 400 divided by 25. Is this clear, everyone? Tell me yes or no. 400, everyone. I will write 400 as 4 into 100. 25 and 100, 4. So 4 into 4, 16. My n is 16, everyone. What is my common difference? Common difference. An is equal, an, let's use an. Okay, so an is equals to 45. That is a plus n minus 1d is equals to 45. A is what? A is 5. Okay. N is what, everyone? 16. 16 minus 1 D. D I have to find out is equals to 45. 16 minus 1 is 15. So it is 15D, everyone. Right? Yes, 5 goes to the other side. So that is going to give me 15D is equals to 45 minus 5. Okay, everyone. So that is going to become what? That is going to become 40. So D is equals to 40 upon 15. I hope this is very, very clear to you all. Yes, everyone, you can reduce it and you'll be able to get the answer. Okay, everyone. So that is going to be 8 by 3. Yes. Now, next question. This is a very, very beautiful question, everyone. It has repeated at least 3 times in board exams. And, you know, every time people, they go in and do not solve this question, they are not able to. If you go in and without solving this question into the exam, you will not be able to solve this question, my promise to you. Okay. But I will give you all a hint. Okay. If you are trying it yourself and not, you know, searching on the Google at the back of your screen. Okay. I'm giving you a hint. This particular point that I told you all is going to be used over here. And you will realize if we had taken 4 terms in an AP in some other way, it would not, we will not be able to solve it. Okay. Now, observe, everyone. What is written in the question? I'll have to explain this question to you all. So do not try it as of now. Just try to understand the question first, everyone, on the screen. Please, on the screen. Okay, the sum of four consecutive numbers in an AP. They're saying there are four consecutive numbers in an AP whose sum is 32, right? Yes. So what will you do, everyone? You will imagine, okay, you will imagine or you will assume four terms in AP. That was what? A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A minus A plus 3D, right? So you see, everyone, the magic that happens, D and D will cancel each other off. That's why I said, please take these four terms in AP, assume them as AP is equals to 32. Okay, everyone. Now I'll also give you the other way this question was asked, everyone. And that the other ways this question was asked, the English was even tough. I'll show it to you. Don't worry. Okay. So that is in our module. This question is given in our module, framed in another way. Okay. So this is the first part of the question. I have written it in mathematics for you all. Okay. The next is given as the ratio of the product of the first and the last term, that is A minus 3D and A plus 3D, with what? With the last term to the product of the two middle terms. Okay. That is A minus upon. So they are asking A minus 3D times A plus 3D. Okay. Upon A minus D times A plus D is equals to 7 by 15. That is what they have given, 7 by 15. Now, everything is given to you, everyone. Try to solve this question out and you will be able to get the answer. Please, cameras, everyone. Keep your cameras on. Come on, everyone. Shall we do this? Tell me. Okay, so I have one response. D is equals to root of 8. Okay, let's see. So observe everyone. What is going to happen? Please see on the screen, everyone. See, A, now see and A, 4 A's, right? So 4A is equals to 32, right? So A is equals to 34 divided by 4, everyone, right? Okay, that is going to be 8. So A is equals to 8, everyone. So I have the value of A, everyone, right? Now I need the value of D. Do not put the value of D over here, sorry, the value of A over here as of now. Don't do it, everyone. Please don't do it. Your calculations are going to become harder. Okay, so it is going to become A square minus, now see, this is of the form of what? This is of the form A plus B into A minus B into A plus B, which is A square minus B square. So 3D whole square. This is A minus D, A plus B. That is A square minus D square, which is equals to 7 by 15, everyone. Okay, so that is going to become A square minus 9D square. Okay, everyone. Upon May, we will have A square minus D square, which is equals to 7 by 15, right? Now we'll do the cross multiplication. 15 is being divided, so over there it will get multiplied, right? A square minus D square is divided, over there it will multiply. So it is going to become 15 times A square minus 9D square, okay, is equals to 7 times A square minus D square. Is this clear, everyone? Tell me yes or no. Any doubts till this point? Hmm? Is this clear or not, everyone? Tell me. Any doubts? Hmm?
Yes.
Yes. Just a second. Yes. So it is going to become 15 times A square minus 15 into 9. That is going to be 90 plus 45. That is 135. 135 D square is equals to 7A square. Just a second. Just a second, everyone. Just a second. I have a call coming up. Let me decline it. Yeah. So 7 D square. Is this clear, everyone? Tell me yes or no. Any doubts till this point? Hmm? Now, everyone, what we are going to do is 7A square goes to the other side. 35D square goes to the other side. Okay, what will happen? 15A square minus 7A square is equals to 135D square, which will become positive, minus 7D square, which will remain negative. And 135 minus 7, that is going to become how much, everyone? That is going to become 128D square. Okay, 15 minus 7A square, that is going to become how much, everyone? 8A square. I hope this is pretty much clear to you all. Any doubts till this point, everyone? Any doubts, please tell me. 128 goes to the other side. Now put the value of A square, everyone. Now put the value of A square. Okay. So D square. Okay. And what was A? What was the value of A? That was 8, right? So 8 multiplied by 8 square. Right, everyone? Yes. Is this clear, everyone? And upon May 128. Right, everyone? Now, please observe 8 and 128 will cancel each other off, everyone. Right? Okay, so it is going to become 1. Let it be as it is. 1 over here. 12 divided by 8, that is 1, right? Remainder 448, that is 6. Is this clear, everyone? 8 square upon 16 is equals to D square. I hope it is pretty much clear to you all. Please tell me yes or no, everyone. Any doubts till this point? Any doubts? Now, 16 can be written as square of 4. So 8 by 4 is equals to D, everyone. D is equals to 2. So common difference is nothing but 2, everyone. Any doubts till this point? Anyone got D as 2? Why are you all getting root 8 as D? D as 8 by 3, 27. 8 by 3. Most of you are getting 8 by 3 as D. Let me check my calculations. Have I done all the calculations correctly?
Sir, I
Just,
got two.
huh? You got
I
2
got
only?
yeah.
Even I got 2.
Okay, so most, see, I am seeing 8 by 3, most of you, most of the responses in the chat. Just give me a second. I'll just check my calculations very fast. Yeah, also, please, everyone, please check the calculations if they are all correct. 15 minus 7, that's 8. Indeed, it is 8, right? And 8 square, that is also correct. 128. 8 divided by 128. So 48. 8 divided by 48. 16. That is correct. And no, I don't think there is any problem over here. Everything is correct, everyone. Seems to be correct. Okay, good. So now everyone, these are the important questions of arithmetic progressions and quadratic equations, right? Now, observe the rest of the 5 markers are going to come from which chapter? It is going to come from triangles. Okay. It is going to come from statistics. Okay, which is very easy. If you do the NCERT, more than enough. Okay. Over here, do the NCERT plus exemplar for triangles. Okay. And the third thing is what? The third thing was just a second. Let me check. There was one more chapter.
Application of trigonometry.
No. Application of trigonometry has a very less chance. It can come from applications of trigonometry. Application of trigonometry will have a question in that, what do we call, value-based questions. Most probably it is going to come from value-based. Okay. So anyway, let's observe surface areas and volumes. Okay. This is as per the latest CBSE sample paper. Okay. And most of the sample papers that are built are upon that only. And this particular thing that I have analyzed is from that sample paper only released by CBSE in the month of October, I guess. Right? For surface area and volume, just do the NCERT. Okay. And if you can do the exemplar, well and good. Even if you don't, you will be able to get. Okay. There will be a question on combination of solids. Okay, everyone. Now, and for the rest of the chapters that I've already discussed with you, everyone, fourth and fifth, that is AP and quadratic. Just do the module of Ask IITians, more than enough. If you do the module, let me tell you everyone, our modules are like a gold mine. If you do all the questions from our module for AP and quadratic, there will not be a single question that you'll not be able to do in the exam. My promise to you. Okay. There are like, 70 questions in each of these chapters. Okay. Quadratic, so NCERT is also enough for no, don't do the NCERT. NCERT will be less. Okay. So do the module, everyone. Okay. And I promise to you, yes, this question is given in a different format in the module. Let me show it to you. This question that we just did, no, everyone, it is given in a different format in the module. Let me show it to you. Where is it? Where is it? Where is AP? Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Here it is. Right. So let me show it to you. You see how it is given to us. Sixth question. Divide 32 into 4 parts which are in AP such that the product of extremes is the product to the product of means is 7:15. Now the question in itself is very difficult to understand over here even. Right? Yes. Now division according to you means dividing into equal parts. But that is not the case over here, everyone. Yes? Or it could be. Or could it be? Think about it. Yes. So divide 32 into 4 parts which are in AP such that, okay, product of extremes. You remember? Two extreme values and the two middle values. That is the ratio that we took. A minus, you remember what was it? A plus A minus 3D. A minus D. A plus D and A plus 3D. Right? Yes, that is what we did. So question can, same question can come in different ways as well. Okay, everyone. Second thing, there is one very important question out of the triangles chapter from the NCERT only. Very beautiful question. And, it comes in the exam. A lot of time it has come in the exam. But, you all have not solved the NCERT thinking ki NCERT se kahan aega, and it comes from the NCERT. Right? Let me show it to you. It is a very beautiful question, everyone. Please do this question. Let me just
Last
see.
exercise.
Yes, last exercise.
Question 14 or 15 it is.
14 or 15. Yes, that is absolutely correct. 14 question, I think. Yes, 14th question it is. Okay. Even 13th is also good. Right, everyone? Okay. Yes. 12th, sorry. 12th is also good. 12th is like an advanced version of the 14th question. Okay. Sorry, 14th is like the advanced version of 12. Okay, everyone. So yeah. Circles. Circles is also a very good chapter. Do the circles from our modules. Modules say if you do the circles, you will be good to go, everyone. Better yet, modules say circles is good. Right? Okay. Is this clear, all of you? Next webinar, we are going to do 3 marker and 4 marker, everyone. Okay, right? So that is going to be all for today, everyone. If you have any questions, you can stay and ask. Otherwise, you can leave the class. Thank you so much, everyone. Had a wonderful time interacting with you all. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Have a nice day, everyone. So I'm ending the class, everyone. Bye-bye.